What's up guys, Top Market Trading here, and today I'm coming back with another cryptocurrency news update about Dogecoin. So in this video guys, I'm going to go over why I think Dogecoin is going to be coming up to its biggest week yet, and why I think it's going to explode to that 50 cents price target that we're predicting for the future. And also guys, I'm going to be giving you guys my technical analysis on what I think Dogecoin is going to be doing heading into next week when Elon Musk is hosting Saturday Night Live on May 8th. So guys, before we get into the video, make sure you guys go down below, hit that subscribe button, and also check out my channel. I make a bunch of stock videos every week about the best stocks going into 2021 that you guys definitely don't want to miss out on. And also guys, I just opened up a free Discord with the link down below in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. It's free to join. Like I said, we offer the best stock callouts every morning, talk about stocks every day, and also offer one-on-one training to help you guys tackle the market. So on that note guys, let's get into the video about this Dogecoin news update. So if we go ahead and take a look at Dogecoin's charts, we can see that just yesterday it actually spiked up to hit a resistance level of 40 cents exactly. Now if we pull back the charts guys, as you guys can see here, there is a formation forming called a cup and handle. As you guys can see here, here is the handle and the cup is forming right now. And as you guys see, there is consolidation forming and then big explosions. As you can see here, between 26 cents and 28 cents was consolidation. Then it spiked up, broke past that to 34 cents, showed a little bit of consolidation, broke past that, then was showing consolidation between 36 cents and 38 cents. Now we broke that to 40 cents, and now we're currently showing consolidation between, I want to say, 37 cents and 39 cents. Now guys, heading into next week, what we want to see is more tight consolidation like this and then big spike ups, because that's just showing it's very healthy going on the way up, and that we could be seeing really big tests on this 45 cent level resistance, where I think if it could break this, then we're going to be seeing 50 cents for sure. Now guys, just recently Benzinga actually did a poll on whether or not Cardano or Dogecoin would grow more by 2022. And as you guys can see here, this week we posted the following question to 1,000 Benzinga visitors on the popular altcoin Cardano and Dogecoin. Over the next year, will Cardano or Dogecoin have the largest percent gain? And here's the results guys. 80% of people said that Dogecoin would actually grow more than Cardano. And that's going to be huge, guys. Dogecoin, as you guys can see here, is gaining a lot of attention from a lot of new investors. As more attention starts to build, we can definitely see more and more price movements going for the upside. And like I said, guys, this 45 cent or this 43 cent level of resistance is crucial. If we can break this right here, then we are definitely seeing Dogecoin break into new all-time highs. Now guys, we know going into next week that Elon Musk is hosting Saturday Night Live, and that's going to be huge for Tesla, but even bigger for Dogecoin. So in this article it says, an appearance by an executive of a publicly traded company on CNBC or another business-related news channel can sometimes move the share price fast. Now guys, that is a big thing to keep note. Share price fast. If the show airs outside the trading hours, it can sometimes have less of an effect on the share price. That raises the question on what kind of impact Elon Musk is going to be having when he's on Saturday Night Live, and to see if these share prices can actually be moving for his company Tesla, but also on cryptocurrency trading during the air of the show. So we know guys that cryptocurrency is much different than the market. It never stops, it never sleeps, and Dogecoin can be traded throughout the show. So that means that whatever he does on the show is going to have an immediate and direct impact on Dogecoin's share price, like right away guys. So if Musk mentions Dogecoin, or if he does a skit, then that's going to be quite possibly the evaluation for a large spike in Dogecoin share price. Now guys, if we see Elon Musk on Saturday Night Live drop a skit about Dogecoin, then we are definitely going to the moon. It's definitely going to take share prices of Dogecoin to the moon, guys. As you guys can see, as we're looking at the Dogecoin charts right now, we can see it slowly inch up and inch up as we're getting closer towards that Saturday day where Elon Musk is going to be hosting Saturday Night Live. So guys, what I'm hoping for, and guys, I'm not a financial advisor, this is for educational and entertainment purposes only, but for educational purposes only, what I will be looking for in Dogecoin is for them to retest this 43 cent area of resistance. Now guys, if we can just inch up to that 43 cent area resistance and consolidate there, that's also a really good sign. But if we could see it break it and start to inch higher towards 45, then that's going to be almost a for sure sign that this is going to the moon and definitely breaking into that 50 cent area that we're predicting for the future. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you guys go down below, hit that like button. It definitely helps get this video out to all the Dogecoin holders out there and to new people who should be getting invested in Dogecoin, and it'll definitely take Dogecoin to the moon. And also guys, let me know down in the comments what you guys think about Dogecoin heading into next Saturday. So on that note guys, good luck in your trading session tomorrow, and Dogecoin to the moon.